In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the Salesforce Authenticator. If you're experiencing issues or if you need to set up your Salesforce Authenticator again, this video will guide you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, begin by heading over to the Salesforce website and logging into your account if you're not already. Once you're in, take a glance at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your avatar icon there. Give it a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Settings option. This will open up a new dashboard where you can navigate through various controls related to your Salesforce account. Next, you'll want to go to the Advanced User Details section. This is where we'll be working to reset your authentication settings. So click it and you'll be directed to a new page filled with advanced settings. Now scroll through these settings until you find the part labeled App Registration, Salesforce Authenticator. This particular section is crucial because it's where the connection between your Salesforce account and the Authenticator app is registered. If you have any connection issues or suspect any problems, this is where you'll address them. Once you've located Salesforce Authenticator, you'll see a button or link labeled Disconnect. Click on this to break the link between your Salesforce account and the Authenticator app. Don't worry, this is just a temporary measure and part of resetting it. With that done, it's time to move on to your phone. Head over to your device's app store and download the Salesforce Authenticator app. If you had it installed previously, make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best performance and compatibility. After installing or updating the app, open it up. You'll see that it generates a two-word code. This two-word phrase is specific to your device and account. Head back to your Salesforce settings and enter this code when prompted to reconnect your account with the Authenticator. Once entered, the app should successfully sync and confirm the connection has been reestablished. And there you have it. Your Salesforce Authenticator is now reset and ready to use. The process is straightforward and ensures your account remains secure. If you have any questions or encounter issues, don't hesitate to check out Salesforce's support for assistance. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more walkthroughs. Have a great day.